Hello, hello. Hello, good evening, all of you. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. Oh, Daniel, you're here today. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes. Acha. Okay, okay, Daniel. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So, for this batch, today we are completing the session, but more such sessions are planning to come for other subjects. So, take all the support, my dear. Okay. Fine. So, today we are starting with index numbers. Okay. Now, what is mean by index number? You tell me, what is index number actually? What is index number? What is index number? Can you anyone tell me what is index number? See guys, this is a revision lecture. I want some answer from you. Some important concepts only I'll explain. After that I'll start doing the numericals. So tell me, what is index number? Index number is nothing but an average. That to what? Relative average. What is index number, my dear? It is a relative average. Okay. It is always in terms of what? 100. It is always in terms of what? 100 percentage. And base index is always what? Base index is always 100. Base index is always 100. Okay. Now listen here. There are three types of index numbers we have. A device which is used to measure change regarding time. Okay. Fine. See, there are three types of index numbers. One is what? Price index. Second one is quantity index and value index. What is value index is? P into Q. Price into quantity. Now base year price we denote it as P naught. Current year price we denote it as P1. Base year quantity. Current year quantity. It goes on like that. Am I right, my dear? Yes. So I think these things and all you may be knowing because there is nothing to explain. Now there are two ways of calculating index. What are the two methods, my dear? Can anyone tell me? One is what? Simple index. Other one is what? Weighted. There are two. And here also there are two. One is aggregate method. One is what? Aggregate method. Other one is relative method. Okay. One is aggregate method. Other one is relative method. Same weighted also. Aggregate. Relative. Now listen here. In aggregate method, what is the formula for aggregate method, my dear? Summation P naught. Sorry. Summation P1 divided by summation P naught into 100. Okay. But whereas in relative, we have got two methods, my dear. One is arithmetic mean, other one is geometric mean. See, the best index number is actually geometric mean index. Best index number is what? Geometric mean index. But because it is little difficult to compute, so what we use is, most of the time we use arithmetic mean index. What we use is arithmetic mean only we are using. Okay, so in my formula also I am going to use only arithmetic mean. Fine. So now in arithmetic mean, what is the formula for arithmetic mean? First you will find out individual index. Then after that, the actual index is what, my dear? I'll take it as R. Summation R by number of quantity. Summation R divided by number of quantities. Now, Here in aggregate method, in weighted method, what is weighted method? See, the original formula is summation P1 divided by P0 into 100. This is simple aggregate method, right? Simple index. Okay. But when I multiply price with quantity, this is called weighted. When I multiply the price with quantity, we call it as what? Weighted. Then what is relative, my dear? Relative is nothing but summation IW divided by summation W. Relative index is what? Summation IW divided by summation W. Now, here only we learn Laspey's formula, Paget's formula, Fisher's formula, Marshall-Edgeworth, Darby-Bowlish formula, Marshall-Edgeworth. Now, what is Laspey's formula? I'll write original formula. I have to multiply the quantity. When I multiply the base year quantity in both numerator and denominator, we call it as Laspey's. This is what Laspey's formula. In Paget's, we multiply and divide by what? Current year quantity. Okay. Then what is Fisher's is? Fisher's is nothing but geometric mean of Laspey's and Paget's. Darby and Bowlish is what? Sir, geometric mean is difficult, sir. But I need some simple method to calculate, sir. That is arithmetic mean of Laspey's and Paget's is nothing but Darby and Bowlish. What is Marshall-Edgeworth, Add the numerator and numerator of Laspey's and Paget's, denominator and denominator of Laspey's and Paget's. What is it? Summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 divided by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1. I hope remember all these formulas. Okay, I hope you remember all these formulas. Now, this formula we also using to calculate what? Cost of living index. When it is relative, then we use cost of living index number here. And when the price and quantity is given, the Laspey's formula is cost of living index. Okay, Laspey's formula is what? Cost of living index. Okay, and if they ask you to find out wholesale index number, still you have to use the same formula, wholesale index number. Or if they ask you to find out general index number, still you are going to use the same formula. Okay, then what is next? Consumer price index. Still you are going to use the same formula. So please understand the names, okay? Understand the names, don't get confused. If they ask you to find out cost of living index number, we use this formula. If they ask you to find out wholesale index number, same formula. Even general index number, same formula. Or consumer price index number, all the formulas are same only, my dear. I hope you understand what I am telling. Am I right, my dear? Yes, fine. Now, theoretically, what and all to be remembered, we need to check the consistency of the formula. And that process we call it as what? Test of adequacy. What is test of adequacy is nothing but, my dear, test of adequacy is nothing but we are checking the consistency. Okay, that is test of consistency. It is going to undergo 4 tests. First test is what? Unit test. Second test is what? Time reversal test. And factor reversal test. And finally what? Circular test. Now, there are 4 tests of adequacy we have got. It can come in the examination, so please don't ignore this, okay? Don't ignore this. What is meant by unit test? See, any index number, if it is a perfect index number, it should be unit free. But except simple aggregate method formula. Except this, rest all will satisfy unit test. What is some time reversal test? P01 into P10 is equal to what? 1. So simple aggregate, of course, satisfying. And Fisher satisfies. Marshall-Edgeworth also satisfies. If you want to check, you can check it. Okay. Now, factor reversal test means price is converted into quantity, quantity is converted into price. Okay. So what is factor reversal test is P0, that is P01 into Q01 is equal to P1 Q1 by P0 Q0. Only one formula satisfies factor reversal test. Only one formula satisfies, what is it? Fishers. Listen here, out of 3 tests, Fisher satisfies all the 3 tests. So that is what always we say, one of the best index number is Fisher's index number. Whereas circular will not satisfy Fisher's test. Actually, circular test is what? What is circular test, my dear? Circular test is extension of time reversal test. What is it? Extension of time reversal test. For example, P01, P10, sorry, P12, P23, dot dot dot, Pn0, which is nothing but 1. So, simple aggregate method will satisfy, simple geometric mean method will satisfy, but Fisher's last price and all will not satisfy. So, I know that you remember everything, these things and all, of course you are aware about it. Okay, without this no one can start index numbers. Here, what are the types of questions can be expected in the examination? I'll tell you. They can ask you to find out, okay, they can ask you to find out real income, okay, comparison price, everything can be asked you to find out. So, today I'm going to do more numericals from index number. What are numericals are there, we'll try our level best to solve it, okay, because much theory is not needed, okay, much theory is not needed. At least this much you should remember if you want to do theory from index number. If any questions are expected in theory, this is what can be asked, okay. Yes, but numericals we need to be very careful, because we always feel, sir, it is very simple, sir, index number is very simple, sir. But remember, most of the students are committing mistakes in index numbers. For example, when you write the test in our test, you will come to know which chapter you committed more, because chapter wise bifurcation we are giving. Scanner irka scanner. Okay, thank you. Fine. Let us start, my dear. Let us start. Now, time reversal and factor reversal are quantity index, ideal index, price index, test of consistency. Can you please give me the answer, my dear? Please, can you give me the answer? Guys, fast, 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 fast. No one is giving me the answer, please. D, 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 D. Chota Bhim is given D, 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 D. Rahul Raj, D, 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 D. Others, please, please. Others also, please give me the answer. Others also, please give me the answer, my dear. So, time reversal and factor reversal, just now only we did. What is it? Test of consistency. A series of numerical figures which show the relative position is called index number, relative number, absolute number, none. A series of numerical figures which show the relative position is called what? By default, you are going to give me the answer, sir, index number, sir. Okay, there is no relative number, absolute number and all. It is actually series of numbers. Relative number, Janiel, what? The number of test of adequacy. The number of test of adequacy. Tell me, my dear, what is number of test of adequacy? Yeah. Yes, Chota Bhim. Yes, yes. Okay. 4. Okay. P01 is the index number. Index of time, for time. P01 is index for time. Please, please give me the answer, my dear. Chota Bhim is given as A. Others? See, actually what you know, P01 is 1 on 0. The meaning of P10 is 0 on 1. See, actually what you know, current year index based on base year index. Base year index based on current year index. What is base year index is always 100. The circular test is an extension of what? Please, others, can you give me the answer? Yeah, okay, others. Very good. Next. Next. Array, all try to give the answer, man. These are some simple questions. These are some simple questions. Yes. Circular test is an extension of time reversal test. Now, I want you to find out last price formula. Let's see how fast you are doing. Please, I want you to give me the answer. Fast, fast, fast. Last price formula. Make it fast. Please make it fast. What is the answer? Others. You are not supposed to waste your time, my dear. It is actually based on formula. You can do it. What is last price formula? Summation current year price into base year price divided by sorry. Yeah. Current year price into base year quantity. Base year price into base year quantity into 100. So here simply what you know, 1900 divided by what? 1360 into 100. Yeah. That's it. 100 is not multiplied. What is the answer? I always used to tell you one thing, my dear. 100 is not mandatory. That is, we convert it into percentage. That is the reason we actual index number is what? 1.39. Actual index number is 1.39. But to convert it into percentage, so we are multiplying by 100. Otherwise, it is not needed. None of these. Genial. What? Price relative expressed in terms of. Price relative expressed in terms of. Price relative is expressed in terms of. C. Price relatives into 100 is mandatory. Okay. Now, circular test is satisfied by. Is it satisfied by last pairs? No, sir. Pasch's also doesn't satisfy. It is only what? Simple geometric mean of price relatives and weighted aggregate with the fixed weights. So these things and all, you know it better. Okay. These type of questions are very, very important, my dear. Please mark this. And in the exam, we are expecting these type of questions for sure. This exam also, these type of questions are going to come. If the 1970 index with base 1965, oh sorry, this is splicing index, okay. If the 1970 index with base 1965 is 200, 1965 index with base 1960 is 150, what will be the index of 1970 on the base 1960? Look at this, my dear. Total how many years? 1960, 1965, 1970. Now, for example, base, that is base, how can we take, for example, this is base year, this is current year. Now, what is given if the 1970 with base 1965 is 200? So, 1965 index with base is 1960. So, look at this, my dear. This is 150. With respect to base what? 1960. Am I right, my dear? Now, what is 1970 indexes? With respect to base 1965? 200. And at that time, what is the base? 100. Now, the question they ask you to find out, we need to find out index number of 1970 with respect to base 100. Can you please, anyone give me the answer, my dear? Are you sure? Yes, very good. Can you give me the answer, my dear? See, actually this is nothing but 200 into 150, cross multiplication. 200 into 150 divided by what? 100. 300. Listen here. Is it as good as circular test? I'll tell you why it is circular test. There are 3 years. Am I right? There are 3 years. Am I right, my dear? It is P01 into P12 into P20 is equal to 1. They ask you to find out this. P01. What is by P01? What is by P01? Index number of 1965 based on 1960. And the next one is what? P12 is what? Index number of 1970 based on? Yes. Now can you substitute here? This way also you can check it, my dear. How many of you tried this way, my dear? How many of you tried this way, my dear? Look at this, I'll tell you. You all understand what I did? See, one is splicing index number method. The other method is, sir, P01. What is by P01? 1965 index based on 60 into P12. What is meant by this? 1965 index based on 1970 into P20. What is it? 1960 index based on 1970, which is equal to 1. So, but listen here, this one is given as what? What is this given as what? Are you sure? What is next? P12 is what? We no need to multiply it by 100, that is okay, fine. Into P20 is equal to 1. Ignore 100, okay, ignore 100. So what is P20? I will be getting 1 by 300. Sir, 1 by 300 we are getting, sir, because we don't want P20, we want P02, which is nothing but 300. Ma, 30,000, after multiplying by 100 only it is 30,000, na? After multiplying the 100 only it is 30,000. Otherwise we should go ahead with this only. See, I am not saying to ignore. See, this is the index. 30,000 index is possible or what? Because it is multiplied by 100. That we are removing it. Index number double time we cannot multiply by 100. Next, which of the following statement is true? Pasch's index number is based on base year quantity. No, Pasch's index number is based on current year quantity. Fish's number is the arithmetic mean of Laspey's and Pasch's. No, Fish's is geometric mean of Laspey's and Pasch's. Arithmetic mean is the most appropriate average for constructing the index number. Or Fish's index number is an ideal index number. Which is right answer? All are agree with me? Is all are agree with me, my dear? Of course, D. Now, I want you to find this. If Laspey's index is 250, Pasch's index is 160, then Fisher's index. Very difficult question. Sir, simply we do 250 into 160, sir, which is 40,000, sir. 40,000 is square root is what? 200. Now, the simple average method used to calculate what? Oh, sorry, this is not there in our syllabus. It is from time series. By mistake, it has come here. Yeah. Can you find out Laspey's index? It is Laspey's index, my dear. Is it 600 divided by 240 into 100? Okay. 600 divided by 240 into what? 100. Am I right? 50 times, 12 times, 5 times, 250. Option A. Which is called an ideal index number? You are Chota Bhim. Fisher's index number. Very good. Name? No. No, you kept correct name only. So in that way I am very happy. Today is end of the lecture, na? Which is not satisfied by Fisher's ideal index number? Others. Hey, in the classroom now, they are just shouting the answer, man. Here, online, no one is giving me the answer. What is this? Classroom people are shouting the answer, but in Balaya says C. Srini, ah. Hey, Srini. Acha, you are JJ Balaya, okay. Yes. C. Now, the prices and quantities of three commodities in base and current years are as follows. Last price index number. My dear, I want you to find out. See, timer, please keep the timer. Keep the timer. 1 minute maximum to complete this. 1 minute. Yes, Rahul. 1 minute. Arey, Rahul, better you stay there only. Here people are shouting the answer, man. 1 minute. Timer. Yeah. Okay. See, in the classroom, people completed within 30 seconds. So I think instead of 1 minute, I should come at 40 seconds, it seems. On an average, I should give only 40 seconds. Srini, Balaya. Who is it? Ramanujam is not there today. யார் எனக்கு ஃபேவரட் எனக்கு yes I think you took lot of time அப்படியா ஏன் வரல why he did not come oh he is enjoying no one is there at home so okay so he is enjoying if you are using calculator this is the way we need to use calculator yes I think everyone got 107.14 my dear those who want to use calculator without writing this is the way we need to use calculator you will be getting numerator right 140 plus 160 300 300 plus 300 is 600 numerator is 600 120 plus 200 320 320 plus 240 560 into 100 is it right see orally we can do it here orally we can do it here and you people are using calculator and struggling yes now listen here the cost of living index number in years 2015 and 2018 were 97.5 and 115 respectively see we are talking about 2015 and 2018 and cost of living index what is it my dear 97.5 and 115 the salary of a worker in 2015 was 19,500 so income was 19,500 how much additional salary was required for him in 2018 to maintain the same standard of living in 2015 look at this my dear how much additional salary it's very carefully you have to handle take it as x take it as x okay take it as x cross multiplication okay cross multiplication now tell me my dear what is when you do cross multiplication you will be getting x is equal to 19,500 into 115 divided by 97.5 can you please tell me how much you are getting 20 sir 23,000 kadalilla sir option is not there sir my dear we are talking about the additional amount actually originally he is getting 19,500 plus how much is should be added my dear 3,500 should be added Is that right? Now, Fisher's index number does not satisfy. Yes, Ragul, Bhavya, okay. Others? Chota Bhim பேர்லாம் நாங்க படிக்கிறது இல்ல. Yes. Circular test. Now, for year 2015, price index was 267% with the base year 2005. The percentage increase in price index over base year 2005, very difficult. Bhavya, sorry, Ramurti, Abhi given as A. Chota Bhim na, she is always confirming with others, and after that she is putting your answer. Bumblebee, option A. Okay. C is the right answer. C is the right answer, not A, because 2005, it's a base year. Base year index is always 100. It is 267. So therefore, what is it? 167 is incremental. Now, the value of the base time period serves as a standard point of comparison. Is it true or false? The value of the base time period serves as a standard point of comparison. Achha, it was your last question. Okay. Actually, it is true. We always compare index number with the base year only. We always compare index number with the base year only. So therefore, true is the right answer. See, same question, how many times it is repeated? See, Fisher's ideal index number does not satisfy. Index number expressed as squares, ratio, percentages, combinations. Expressed as what? Index number expressed as what, my dear? Option C. Now, the last price index number is 110. Fisher's index number is 109. Pache's, I want you to find out. Everyone getting D? Last price is 110. Fisher's is 109. Actually, now, without saying anything, it is 108 only the option available. Because look at this, 110, 109, 108. Because I want, that is Pache's must be what? Between both. Now look at this. 109, the whole square equal to 110 into Pache's. So Pache's is equal to 109 into 109 divided by what? How much it is? How many marks is expected from this topic, sir? 6 to 7. That's what I said. Remember. See, 6 to 7 is not a simple thing, my dear. It's a huge mark. People are failing in 1 mark, 2 marks. People are failing in 1 marks and 2 marks. Here one simple topic is going to give you. See, if you ask me frankly, to fail in the CA Foundation Paper 3 exam, you need to work hard. Sir, what you are saying, sir? Yes, of course. You are working hard only to fail in the exam. When you just plan the strategy properly, no one will fail. Please understand. See, let us calculate now. Time value of money, we know of 12 marks. correct? Index number 6 marks at least, 18 marks. Logical reasoning 20 marks. So how much it is? 18 plus 20? 38. Okay, 38. Now another easy topic is what? Correlation regression. There are fixed questions only. 7 to 8, 6 to 7 marks again. 6, 44. Measure of statistical description of data, I forgot. 6 marks, 50. And measure of central tendency and dispersion, another 8 marks, 58. Probability, at least I think yesterday and the day before yesterday, whatever we did, I think it definitely, if you followed it properly, both the topics put together, only that lecture, no need to practice anything extra. Only that lecture itself will give you minimum 6 to 7 marks out of 12, 13 marks. See, scoring 60 and all, it's like cakewalk. But we are ignorant. Okay, that is the biggest problem here. Balaya, Srini, ratio and all I'm not considering only. Many people, yes Rashi, many people are struggling in paper 3 not to pass, my dear, only to fail. I'll tell you one thing. Shh. The moment we teachers say na, paper 3 is difficult, the moment they say, you got scared. But if you ask me, from my bottom of my heart, I'm saying paper 3 is actually one of the simplest paper in CA Foundation. But we only created it difficult because otherwise you will not come to class only. Okay. The cost of living index is always price index, quantity index, weighted index, value index. Balaya Vastavaya, Balaya Vastavaya. It is weighted index. Now, Fisher's index number. See how many times same question. When the prices for quantities consumed of all commodities are changing in the same ratio, then the index numbers due to Laspey's and Paget's will be equal, unequal, reciprocal of Marshall-Edgeworth index, reciprocal of Fisher's index. When the prices of quantities consumed of all quantities are changing in the same ratio, everything is changing in the same ratio. Can you please check it? Formula, just substitute and check. Something you do na. Assume it is exam. Let's see what answer you can give. Let me check the answer because it's very simple. Quantity is increasing in the same ratio. For example, if first quantity increases by 10%, second also 10%, third also 10%, fourth also 10%, everything is increased in the same ratio. Tell me, my dear. Find. Yes. Yes, Rahul everyone, you are right. It is equal. Laspey's and Paget's will be equal. When the quantities are increasing in the same ratio, Laspey's and Paget's will be equal. You take some example and solve it on your own. Yes, only these two will be equal. How it will be? Only Laspey's and Paget's. Yeah. Fisher's index number. Time setting, I'm setting the time 1 minute. Because it is Fisher's index number, I'm giving you 1 minute. Rahul Raj, prices are not increasing, only quantity is increasing. Look at it very carefully. See, it is given when the prices of quantities. Yeah, prices increases. So quantity remains same only, na? Price if increase in the same ratio, obviously the last price and purchase remain same because quantity remain constant. Tell me, my dear. "25 seconds more. 25 seconds more. "15 seconds more. 1 minute is what? That's what 15 seconds. 10 seconds more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Only Jainesh given as answer. Okay, Chota Bhim also given answer. Balaya given as answer. In 1 minute time. Within the time limit, only 4 people gave me answer. My dear children, you may be knowing what is Fisher's formula. You may be knowing how to do it. But you don't know how much time we should take. Problem lies there only. You remember Fisher's formula. You remember how to solve it. You know how to use calculator. But within the time period, we have to do it. Most of the people are losing in time. Please understand. Whenever you practice timer, you have to keep the timer. And each and every sum, how much time you are taking, that you need to calculate. When you solve index number also, any problem you are taking, you have to keep the timer aside. And we need to check how much time we are taking. But these type of sums and all, maximum more than 1 minute is too much, my dear. More than 1 minute is too much. Okay. First I'll be calculating last price. Okay, last price I'll be calculating. What is last price? P1 into Q0. 240. 8 16s are 144. Sorry, not 128. 240. What is it? 12 into 20 m plus, 8 into 16 m plus, 6 into 8 10 m plus, 4 into 7 m plus MRC. What is it? 4 divided by. Next one is what? P naught Q naught. 200, 128, 328, 328, 378, 378 plus 28. What is it? 4 into 100. What you are getting? Oh, Daniel, you are only. Okay, okay. 1. Hey, what last pairs? Okay. 112 point? Okay. What is purchase is? P1 Q1. 12 into 22 m plus, 8 into 18 m plus, 6 into 11 m plus, 4 into 8 m plus MRC. 50 divided by P0 Q1. 10 into 22 m plus, 8 into 18 m plus, 5 into 11 m plus, 4 into 8 m plus MRC. What is it? 19. So square root of 112.32, 112.19 is equal to what? Approximately 112.26. Correct? See, this is what last December attempt question. Here only most of the people are finding it very difficult because all the options are very close options. Table remains same. Now can you please find out what is purchase? I already got it. 112.19. Is it approximately 112.20? Marshall Edgeworth. Hey, that is also you have done, Ray. Look at this. Marshall Edgeworth. Add the numerator and numerator of last price and purchase. 456 plus 506. Denominator, denominator. What is the answer? ఒరే కల్లులా 1 1. This is what Marshall Edgeworth. Approximately what? 112.26. Listen here. Mark, this is important. The consumer price index goes up from 120 to 180 when a salary goes up from 240 to 540. What is the increase in real terms? What is the increase in real terms? Look at this, my dear. We need to calculate real wage. See, let me take first year, second year. What is index number, my dear? 120 becoming 180. Am I right, my dear? What about salary? 240 to 540. We need to find out increase in real terms. See, how to find out increase in real terms, my dear? Can you please tell me what exactly it is? First, real wage for first year. What is it, my dear? Real wage for first year. Though I am getting 240 rupees, but it is index number 120 means 240 divided by 120 into 100, which is equal to what? Actually, my real income is 200. My real income is 200. Though I am getting 240 rupees, that 240 rupees is equivalent to 200 rupees only with respect to my base year. So, will I be able to maintain the same standard of living? No. Because earlier, if I would have, 240 rupees, at that time itself I would have earned. Now I am earning only 200 rupees in the name of 240. Same way, real wage for second year. What is it, my dear? 540? Is it 300? What is the increase in real terms? This one you find out. What is the real term increase? Very good, Balaya. 240 rupees. Why? Actually, that is equivalent amount is actually 300 rupees, but I am getting 540 rupees. That means how much I am getting as incremental cost, my dear? 240 rupees extra I am getting now. Very good, Balaya. Jai Jai Balaya. Yeah, 31st sum. Let others also give the answer, my dear. Balaya form. Well, he's in good form, it seems, huh? Jason B. Okay. Others are not giving answer. I don't know. Now, the weighted average of price relatives of commodities when the weights are equal to the values of commodities in the current year yields index number Fishers, classifiers, Paches, Marshall Edgeworth. See, think and give me the answer. Everyone is giving me last price. Very good. Actually speaking, commodities in the current year, it is actually giving us Paches. Yes. Paches. Fishers index. 1 minute. Time starts now. 1 minute. 50 seconds. 40 seconds. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. 20. 15. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Daniel gave option, but it is wrong. But exactly at 1 minute in the classroom, 2 Jeevans given me the answer. That is right. Yes, Jason. Yes, Bhavya. It is 1 or 2 seconds you took extra, but I can appreciate the students who are sitting in the classroom. They did it exactly in 1 minute. Others still doing. Very good. Okay. Now we need to find out fishes. For that I need to find out last price. Okay. What is last price is? P1 into Q naught. 18. 18 plus 24 is 42. 42 plus 18, 60, 63. Divided by P naught, Q naught. 4 3s are 12. 20, 32. 36, 46. 52. Into 100. What exactly you got? 63 by 52 into 100. Tell me what is it? 1, 1. What? Okay. Next let us find out Paches. What is Paches? What is Paches, my dear? P1, Q1. 6 2s are 12. Plus 24, 36. 54, 59. Divided by P naught Q1. 8 plus 20, 28. 28 plus 14, 42. 42 plus 10 is 52. Into 100. Tell me what is it? 113. So root of 121 into 0.15 into 113.46. What is it? See, without using calculator, if we can complete in 1 minute, I did not use the calculator. Only for this portion you helped me. If we would have used calculator, I think we could have completed much earlier. Index numbers are not helpful in framing economic policies. My index numbers are for economics policies. So option A are not helpful. Loose. Revealing trend, of course. See, with economic policies, we are revealing the trend only. Forecasting, of course, it is helpful for forecasting also. Sir, you said everything, sir. Of course. Identifying error. அதாவது KD buggers. After I nullify all the 3 options and everyone is giving sir D sir D sir D sir. Now the 3 index numbers, namely last pair, Paches, Fishers, do not satisfy test. Emma, Fishers does not satisfy time reversal. That's it. Hey, sorry. Circular. Arey yaar. Circular. The test of shifting the base is called time reversal. See, P01 into P10. Are we not shifting the bases, my dear? Time reversal. Actually, circular test is extension of time reversal. So time reversal is the appropriate answer. The price relatives with respect to base year. Let's see who is giving. Balaya, Vastavaya, option given. Okay. Ragul, okay. Why everyone is thinking like this? Option A only. Hey, what is P01? Same only, na? Last price index number is a weighted aggregate method by taking as dash weights. Quantity consumed in base year. Quantity consumed in current year is what? Passes. Now, which one of the following method is based on geometric mean for calculating index number? Fisher's. I think my regular class students might be knowing. Kelly's formula also we discussed. Summation P naught. Sorry. Okay. This is what Kelly's. I mentioned, but I did not mention. Give the formula. That is Kelly's. Kelly's is this only. Only multiply by the quantity. We don't know whether it is base year or current year. Formula, everything is remained same. Which one of the following test is not applied for selecting an appropriate index number? Circular. Yeah. Shh. 20 seconds. Last price 20 seconds. Wow, people completed in 8 seconds. So 20 is too much. 5 seconds. Because, see, everything is given 96 divided by, 73 into 100. Which of the following index measures the change from month to month in a cart of representative basket of goods and services of the type bought by a typical household? Retail price only. Consumer price, retail price, cost of living price, everything is same only. Fisher's index number is called an ideal index number because it is satisfying C. Both factor and time reversal. If the last year's index is 119, Pasha's is 112, Fisher's 115 point. Root of now in price index, when a new commodity is required to be added, which of the following index is used? Shifted price. Value price. Which of the following index is computed by taking average of base year and current year? Listen here. Is fishes is geometric mean? Is that right? It's a geometric mean. It's an average only. Last pace, passes. Last pace based on base year, passes based on current year. Fifteen seconds. 15 seconds. Okay. Yeah. But Chota Bheem, Bala and all gave it as D. That's a last question. Okay. Balaya deleted his message. Option A. See, ನೀವ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ರವನ್ನ. What Bhavya? Option Q. Q. ಕಡ್ಡಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ. Now, the index number of price for a country at a given date is 250 in the comparison to the base period price. The price of all commodities in the country has increased by dash times. Genial, can you please think once again and give me the answer? One 1.5 times. See, based on the base year, 100 is becoming 1 to 50. How much is the incremental? Now, Fisher's index number is 160, Pasha's is 140, then the last price. Can you please find out this fast? Are you sure? Okay. B. Weighted geometric mean of relative formula satisfies dash test where factor reversal test is satisfied a dash. Factor reversal test satisfied by Fisher's and weighted geometric mean relative formula satisfies dash test while factor reversal test satisfied by dash. Time reversal and the Fisher's index. Oh, it is done. Fine. We have solved almost all the questions. Okay, my dear. Fine. It's a last day and we completed fast. It's fine. Okay, so that's all with our statistics. Now, let me take another 10 minutes to explain what and all shall be done in statistics. This is most important part. I want you to follow this instruction very strictly. And one more thing, of course you all are there in my WhatsApp channel. I will keep on putting messages. Whenever I would like to meet, I will call you. Please try to come and attend the session. So that what happens, because we are going to meet only for only one reason, my dear. The reason is what? What is the reason? What is the purpose? There is only one purpose now, as of now. What is that purpose? CA Foundation positive result. Okay. So please take all my support because we are in Thankyou now. It's a big team is waiting for you in CA Foundation and CA Inter. Very big team. So now only paper 3 you will be getting support from me. Even other faculties also, what you know, like our faculties only, they are also our own faculties. So they are also going to come and they will be taking some extra session, even economics, law, and accounts. So many sessions are coming, my dear. My only request is attend the sessions. Okay, attend the sessions, because who are registered for this program, I have seen, and we spoke also. Most of them are self-study students, and the students already attempted. That is, already they kept the attempt 1 or 2 times. Self-study, my dear. This is an opportunity for you people. Okay, I am available. We Thankyou available. Our Thankyou students are available, because I already taught them. Please go out and help others, and especially the students who are struggling and the students who are doing self-study. You need, actually, what you know, most of the students are brilliant students, because this time I got now, I'm shocked to have such kind of students, and they could not clear CA foundation, scoring 590, 591, 594, 587. So this much score in 12th standard, so brilliant, school toppers, district toppers. Okay, but still they are unable to clear CA foundation. 1 or 2 attempts they kept. Really, I'm shocked. But now, fortunately, I think now they have got gaining the confidence. They said, sir, I am going to score more than 320, 325, and intermediate I'll bring rank. This is the commitment they have given. So definitely they are going to do that. I have got that confidence. But the students who are doing self-study, you need someone to mentor, or you need someone to support. If you have one person, anyone other than me, or any person is available for you, please go and take that support. Please go and take the support. If no one is there, don't worry, I am there. Okay, don't worry, I am there. But very, it's my real situation. Okay, but very important thing is, you need support now. That one thing you need. Sir, don't be egoistic. Okay, no, I can handle, I can manage. 2 times I already I already attempted, sir, and I know what to study and what not to study. And one more important thing I'll tell you, the people who are, I think, for example, freshers, those who are watching the lecture, if any freshers are watching the lecture, one thing you should know, don't take any guidance from the students who already failed in CA foundation. So people, you may get shocked, but see, let me be very frank with you. Don't take any guidance from them. If you start taking the guidance, what happens, some negativity will spread. So better you have to struggle, or you have to approach the mentor. Okay, because the same mistake only, the second attempt, third attempt, they also committed the same mistake. Just think this, my dear. I hope you also consulted with your seniors. You always consult with your seniors. If you know any senior, Akaka, what happened? Anna, what happened? So what is the use? Okay, you need to consult with the person who is expert, or you need to consult with the person who cleared. But the person who got cleared, he doesn't have time for these things, because he is occupied in intermediate. So okay, we cannot disturb them. So only person available is your mentors. So again, I'm telling you, if you have your own mentors, if you know your own people in your coaching institute, if you find any mentor, please follow that instruction very carefully. If you feel, sir, no one is there, please, my dear, you need our support, and take that support. Okay, that is, we are coming for you people only. Take this support. Okay, because now India's great faculties are there with us now. Like in Thankyou, slowly, one by one, they are going to come and talk to you. Okay, they are going to come and talk to you, like how to approach the exam, CA foundation. They are our CA inter, CA final, CA foundation faculties. They will come and meet you. Okay, see, they are the real inspiration for you people. Okay, they are the real inspiration for you people. So please use this opportunity. This is more important. You need to use the opportunity. If any opportunity you are getting, why we have to miss those opportunities? Is that right? Are we going to see only investment? What you are going to make? Time, and that you have got plenty now. Is that right? You have got plenty of time. Can't you invest that? Only time you need to invest. Okay, because now we started calling each and every student to talk about the test series. Okay, we talk about the test series. You people are thinking, see, I think our students, IQ students knows it better, how much we are spending, what we are doing for the test series. I think you already got the know your mistakes. How painful it is, you don't know. Every paper is getting scrutinized. Okay, I can give you this assurance. In Tamil Nadu, any coaching, in South India, even in North India, even across India, only 2 people are doing this. That is, we are there. That is in Chennai, Thankyou, and our own institute in Bombay, it is Innovate. So we are the people who are doing such kind of activities. Please take that support, my dear. You try to write that exam, and in that exam what you will come to know is where we are lagging, and those places should be filled properly. Is that correct? Those places should be filled properly. So I want you have to follow the instructions very carefully. Okay, I'm very happy there are students in CA Foundation, our IQ na, they are coming in the morning 7-8 o'clock. They are not leaving even in the night 8-9:30. Okay, so this is this much effort here people are putting. You think, my dear, are you putting the same effort? Are you putting the same effort? Morning 8 onwards, evening 9:30, continue, because I'm seeing them. It is last 2 months this is what happening. Another 2 months also this is going to happen, and next 9 months also this is what same thing going to happen in intermediate. Okay, same thing is going to happen in intermediate. See, are you putting that effort, my dear? Because after putting that effort, still they are struggling to clear our prelims exam. Okay, still they are struggling to clear CA Foundation exam after studying for 10 hours, 12 hours. Okay, after studying for 12 hours. That means what, you know, it's a first prelims. I don't take first prelims as the, like, you know, scale. My scale starts with 4th and 5th prelims. First 3 prelims, first you adopt. That is what we kept 6 prelims. Can anyone, any institute can conduct 6 prelims, my dear? After completing, no one can conduct 6 prelims and all. First let others complete the portion. Then after that let us talk about the prelims. So 6 prelims continuously planned. First 3 prelims it is like warm up. I will not come to the picture till 3 prelims. 4th prelims onwards I'll come to the picture. So I want, because people, most of us, sir, I am not prepared, how can I come and write? Please, my dear, if you keep on thinking like that, till exam day you are not prepared. That you remember. I'm not telling you have to come and write in our IQ. I'm telling you to write at least wherever you are going, any coaching institute you have joined. Please go and write the prelims exam. If they are not conducting, please ask them to conduct the prelims exam. This is what I'm telling you, my dear. Okay, I don't think there is anything wrong in writing prelims exam, and there is anything wrong in what, you know, asking you to go and write the exams. So please take this advice. Okay, my humble request. See, many of you already attempted once or twice or thrice. You know the pain. Okay, you know the pain. Let us not take it again, my dear. Is it clear? Do you all agree with me? Okay, and the people, sir, I have not felt any pain, sir. My dear, that pain is, you cannot tolerate only. It's you know, it's painful means you cannot tolerate, I'm telling you. Okay, so it is about, you know, it is about the parents, your teachers, how much, like, you know, they expected you, and now they got disappointed. So let us not give this one more time, this kind of situation to them, because of our simple or silly mistakes, or because of our lethargicness, because of our attitude. Okay, so please don't never ever disappoint your parents or your teachers. First of all, don't disappoint yourself. That is very important. அதாவது உங்களை நீங்களே ஏமாத்திக்காதீங்க. ஓகே, பேரண்ட்ஸை கண்டிப்பாக அவங்க பாவம் என்னதான் அவங்களுக்கு மோட்டிவேஷனாக இருந்தாலும் உள்ளுக்குள்ளே அவங்க வருத்தப்படுறது அவங்களுக்கு தான் தெரியும். ஆஸ் அ டீச்சராட்டு எனக்கும் அந்த வருத்தம் எனக்கே இருக்கும்போது பேரண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எவ்வளோ வருத்தம் இருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த வருத்தத்தை நம்ம எதுக்கு கொடுக்கணும்? ஏன் கொடுக்குறோம்? சின்ன அதாவது லெத்தார்ஜிக்னஸ். பரவாயில்ல, நாளைக்கு பார்த்துக்கலாம், நாளன்னைக்கு பார்த்துக்கலாம். ஓகே, வில் சி லேட்டர், வி ஹவ் டைம், நான் 2 months டைம், வை ஷுட் ஐ ஸ்டார்ட் நவ்? ஸோ இது இப்படி சொல்லி நாளைக்கு பார்த்துக்கலாம்னா எக்ஸாம் நாளைக்கு வந்துடும். அது வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிட்டே தான் இருக்கணும். கொஞ்சம் சீரியஸாகிட்டு யாருக்காவது வீட்டில் படிக்கிறதுக்கு முடியலையா, படிக்கிறதுக்கு இடம் இல்லையா, வந்துருங்க. இங்கே காலையில் வந்துருங்க, 7 மணிக்கெலாம் இங்கே வந்துரு, நான் அதுக்கும் இடம் தரேன். ஒன்று மட்டும் பண்ணுங்கள், படிச்சுட்டு போங்க. ஓகே, காலையில் 7 மணிக்கு வரீங்களா, நைட்டு 8:30 மணி வரைக்கும் உட்காந்து படிங்க. வீட்டில் போய் தூங்குங்க, திரும்ப காலையில் 7 மணிக்கு வாங்க. அதுக்கெலாம் ஒரு சார்ஜஸும் கிடையாது. வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். நம்ம ப்ரொமைசஸ்லாம் நல்லா தாராளமாக இருக்குது. ஏன்னா இங்கே சிஏ ஃபவுண்டேஷன் கிளாஸ் முடிஞ்சிருச்சு, இன்டர்மீடியட் மட்டும் தான் நடந்துகிட்ருக்கு. அது கூட January 25th ஃபுல் போர்ஷன் முடியுது இன்டர்மீடியட் ஃபார் May 24. ஆமாம், we have planned 4 prelims for those people, intermediate level. Yes, for you July 25th already planned. Your completion date is July 31st. Yeah, you will get 3 months for preparation. Okay, so everything is planned, even timetable also said. So our classrooms are available, please come and use it, utilize it properly. Okay, yes, I want only one thing, my dear. யூஸ் யர் டைம் ப்ராப்பர்லி. உங்களுடைய நேரங்கள் ரொம்ப முக்கியம், அதை தயவு செஞ்சு யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, நீங்கள் இதிலேருந்து டிவேட் ஆடாதீங்க. எனக்கு என்ன ஒருத்தனா கடைசி ஒரு 15 நாள் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டோம், கண்டினியூஸாக மீட் பண்ணிட்டோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு டேலாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 100 பேர் 120 பேர் அப்படியே லைவில் உட்காந்துட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அப்படியே குறைஞ்சு கடைசியாக 50 பேரில் வந்து நின்று இப்போ கடைசியாக 35 பேரில் வந்து நிற்கிறோம். அதாவது எதுக்காண்டி மிஸ் பண்ணுறோன்ட்டு உங்களுக்கும் தெரியாது, எனக்கும் தெரியாது. ஒரு டைமை ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம் உட்காரோம் அப்படின்னா, சார் நீங்கள் யூடியூப்பில் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறீங்களா சார்? எனக்கு ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து யூடியூப்பில் அப்லோட் பண்ண இதே கிடையாது, விருப்பமே கிடையாது. ஆனால் மனசு வரல, பாவம் எவ்வளோ பேர். ஒரு சில பசங்க என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க அப்படின்னு நிஜமாகவே அவங்களால அட்டன் பண்ண முடியாமல் போயிடுது. வீடியோ லேக்கிங் இருக்குது, இன்டர்நெட் ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால் என்ன பண்ணுறோம், யூடியூப்பில் அப்லோட் பண்ணி சரி அப்புறமா பார்த்துங்கப்பான்னு சொல்லிடுறோம். ஆனால் அதை அட்வான்டேஜாக எடுத்துக்கிறதுன்றது எவ்வளோ பெரிய தப்பு. ஸோ அதை பண்ணக்கூடாது. அந்த டிசிப்ளின், இந்த டைம் டிசிப்ளின் வேணும் இல்லையா? ஓகே, உங்களை நீங்களே கேள்வி கேட்டுங்கப்பா, ஆர் வி தட் டிசிப்ளின்டா இல்லையான்ட்டு. somehow you can manage foundation, but intermediate மாட்டிப்பீங்க. ஓகே, இன்டர்மீடியட்டில் மாட்டிப்பீங்க. நம்ம நினச்சிட்டு இருக்கோம் சார் இன்டர்மீடியட்டில் 22% சார் பாசிங்க. எப்பா கொஞ்சோன்னு ஞாபகம் வச்சுங்க, ஃபஸ்ட் அட்டெம்ப்டில் கிளியர் பண்ணால் 5% கூட இருக்க மாட்டோம். அதில் ரிப்பீட்டர்ஸாக மீதி இருக்கக்கூடிய பர்சன்டேஜ். இந்த லாஜிக் யாருக்குமே புரிய மாட்டேங்குது. என்னமோ ஃபஸ்ட் அட்டெம்ப்ட்லேயே எல்லோரும் கிளியர் பண்ணிட்டு வரலாற மாதிரி. ஓகே, ரிப்பீட்டர்ஸ் தான் அதில் நிறைய பேர் இருப்பான். இதே தான் ஃபைனல்லையும் நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்குது. பட் நீங்கள் உங்களை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் என்ன நினச்சிட்ருக்கோம், நம்ம ஊர் மக்கள்லாம் சிஎல் அட்டெம்ப்ட் தானே பரவாயில்ல, சிஎல் அட்டெம்ப்ட் வச்சா தப்பு இல்லை, இது ஒரு நினப்பு. ஓட்டுறது ஏறுமா, அதில் ஒரு பெருமை நமக்கு வேறு. சிஎல் அட்டெம்ப்ட் வச்சா பரவாயில்ல. இதை பாருங்கள், சிஎல் அட்டெம்ப்ட் வச்சா பரவாயில்லன்னு நான் யாருக்கு சொல்லுவேன் அப்படின்னா, உண்மையிலுமே அவங்களுடைய உழைப்பெல்லாம் போட்டு நல்ல நேரத்தை அதுக்குன்னே ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணி அப்படியும் அவங்களால பண்ண முடியல, அல்லது எக்ஸாம் டைமில் உடம்பு சரியில்லாமல் அவங்களால எக்ஸாம் எழுத முடியல, இந்த மாதிரி பசங்களுக்கு அது ஓகே. நமக்கு நிறைய நேரம் இருக்குது. கொழுப்பு என்ன தெரியுமா, படிப்பு நல்லா வருது. உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் படிப்பு வரலாம் சொல்லாதீங்க, நல்லா படிக்கிறீங்க, எனக்கு தெரியும், ரொம்ப நல்லா படிக்கிறீங்க, படிப்பு நல்லா வருது, மண்டை நல்லா வேலை செய்யுது. ஓகேவா, ஒன்றும் குறைலாம் கிடையாது, நல்லா பயங்கர பிரைட். இந்த ஜென்ரேஷனில் செம்ம பிரைட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸு. ஓகே, நேரம் எக்கச்சக்கமாட்டு இருக்குது. நல்ல வேலை விஜய் படமோ சிவகார்த்திகோ வருஷத்துக்கு ஒருக்க தான் வந்துகிட்டு இருக்கு இப்போ. ஸோ எந்த டிஸ்டர்பன்ஸுமே கிடையாது. ஆனாலும் நம்ம படிக்க மாட்டோம். கரெக்டாக இல்லையா? ஆனாலும் நம்ம படிக்க மாட்டோம். இதுக்கு யார் காரணம் சொல்லுங்கள்? ஸோ அப்புறம் நாளைக்கு குத்துதே கொடையுதே அன்னைக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், அதுக்குண்டான எஃபர்ட்டையாவது நம்ம போடணும் இல்லையா? ஆர் வி புட்டிங் தட் எஃபர்ட் மை டியர்? நோ. ஒரு சிலர் ஒரு இடத்துல போய் கேட்டால் ஒரு சில ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, சார் போர்ஷன்ஸே முடிக்கல சார், பயமாக இருக்குது சார்னு ஒருத்தர் சொல்கிறாங்க. எங்கே போர்ஷன்ஸ் முடிச்சாச்சு நான் கேட்குறேன், நம்மக்கிட்ட போர்ஷன்ஸ் என்னம்மாச்சு சார், படித்தே முடிக்கல சார்ன்றாங்க. ப்ரிலிம்ஸ் எழுதுங்க சார், நான் சார் ப்ரிலிம்ஸ் எல்லாம் படிக்கவே இல்லை சார்ன்றாங்க. Oh sir, English please. Sorry Rashi. Okay, I was just talking general discussions only Rashi. I was not aware that people are there. Okay, sorry. So I was under impression that is people na, see Rashi, please you also. The people who are struggling, how they are struggling. Some people are saying sir our portion is not yet over. Some people are saying where portions got over. People are saying sir preparation is not yet done. Okay, where preparation is over, portions are over. Sir, they are not conducting preliminary examination. Sir, they are not conducting any test series. They are not conducting any unit test. This complaint. Now here everything is happening, but we are not using it. I am voluntarily coming and giving you. Please come and write. Please come and write. Still you are not writing it. Correct. Max exam and all I am conducting it for free. I told my students knows it, because for descriptive papers I cannot I cannot afford. I am not that big personality. If I have got that huge money, I could conduct across India, I can conduct the exams, but I don't have that capacity. So for max exams and all, even economics also I am planning to conduct for free 1 or 2 exams. But Accounts and law, if you want serious correction, of course you have to pay for that at least correction, only that much charges, because I know for 2 prelims people are charging 6,500 rupees, 7,000 rupees. Okay, 6,500, 7,000 rupees people are charging. Here we are charging only 750 rupees for 4 papers. Still we are not happy about writing the examination. My dear, wherever exams are getting conducted, please go and write. But mock exam, I say also, I think 2 mock exams already got over. But the drawback is what, they don't correct the papers. Then what is the point in writing the exam? Okay, what is the point in writing the exam? But you can download the paper, you write it on your own. One day I'm going to have paper solving session. At least 2 to 3 paper solving session next week I'm planning to keep. Okay, 2 to 3 paper solving session. That is in 2 hours we will keep 7:30 to 9:30. We both will solve the papers. You just see how I'm solving papers in 2 hours. And also, I've asked all my accounts faculty, law faculty, economics faculty to come and explain each and every paper in front of you, so that you will get the confidence. 3 hours, how can we complete accounts paper? In 3 hours, how can we complete law paper? So our teachers are ready to support here. Okay, so I want only one thing, please come and use it. Okay, yeah, yes Rashi, thank you. Please use it. I'm asking you to use only. I'm not saying that, see, when it is available, why you are wasting your time, my dear? If you are getting everything, then what else needed? Now if the people who are getting this kind of support, you don't have any reason to say that, sir, I did not get any support, sir. A person is voluntarily coming and doing this support, but we people have to take that support now. Listen here, one more thing I'll tell you. People believes in brands. Let me tell you this openly. You people believe in brands. Okay, sir is individual, brand is brand. He is individual. There is no brand behind him. How can he support? This is what your question. Please understand, my dear. For every successful brand, we were there. We teachers only used to be there. Okay, we were the people. Okay, we were the brain. We did everything. Okay, so please don't never underestimate. Like, one particular brand only can do wonders. We only brands. So understand and follow the instructions very carefully, and use this opportunity. It is not a request, my dear. It's an order. I have full right to say that. It's an order from my side. I want you to write at least 1 test. Actually, it is advisable to take 3 tests. At least 1 test, wherever you write. That is with your institute or mock exam, anywhere you write. But at least 1 test. Without writing the test, don't enter into exam hall. Will you do that, my dear? Yes, will you write exam, at least 1 exam? Somewhere, not here, anywhere you go and write. I'm conducting test series up to December 15th. So if you don't prepare up to December 15th, then you will never prepare, my dear. Up to 22nd. Oh, sorry, up to 22nd prelims are there. Sorry, this month I'm not prepared. I want to write it from December, sir. Right. We have 3 exams in the month of December. See, everything is meticulously planned, my dear. Everything is meticulously planned. I want you to come and write. Do you still think only brands can do? See, there is no such thing, my dear. Please understand. Because there are few people who are saying, okay, I am not able to read. Yeah, thank you, Sai Shri. Now, see, max definitely, Sai Shri. More helps are going to come, but not only in mathematics. Only paper 3 is not going to help you to clear CA foundation. We have 3 more papers. 100% support I am going to give. All the 3 papers remaining. But only thing what you need to come. You need to attend. You are sitting at home and attending. At least if this also you are not going to do it, then what is the point? Okay. So please take that support. Sir, there is one famous statement, many students used to say. That is, sir, I was comfortable with that faculty, sir. I am not comfortable with this faculty, sir. My dear, successful people will never compare anyone with anyone. So you were comfortable with that particular faculty. Did you clear in that attempt? No, that's it. So no comparison. Sir, he is good, he is bad. Everyone is good here. Wherever we are getting support, that support you should take. That's it. All are good here. All people are good people. So let us not compare anyone. Only this faculty can do wonders. If, see, for example, if only I can produce results, paper 3 result, then that means all my students should clear, na? There are students who are failing in my paper, na? After I teach also. So no one is perfect here. That you need to understand. Okay, your personal affection, everything, stay away from those things. Keep those things aside. Personal affection only with your parents. Okay, these kind of things and all, no personal affection. There you should not fall into this brainwash. Okay, here most of the places brainwash only happening. Please come out of those things. Sir, I am getting support, let me take support. I am not telling, sir, yeah, and you know, this is not, sir, after clearing, na, sir, you will ask us to join in intermediate, sir. No, that is not the criteria only here. I want you to clear. If you have confidence, come and discuss once for intermediate. That is different story. We are not talking about that part. I am talking about the CA foundation. I want you to clear. For that, whatever effort I have to take, I will take it. We Thankyou will take it. Even my Thankyou students will take that effort. But will you take that effort or not? That you need to decide, not me. Is that right, Olo? Yes. You want to clear? That means you have to work hard. I can push. That's it. Push I can give. But I want you to take it properly. If you don't have any confidence with other papers, with our faculties, at least where your confidence, go and ask that faculty, sir, I want your support, please support me, I want this topic, I'm not confident in this topic, I'm not what we saying now, sorry, he's a big personality, sir, we cannot ask those things, sir. Then what the hell, man? Actually we are there to support you. Go and ask, okay, wherever you are comfortable. That is very important here. Our only aim is, only goal is what? Clear CA foundation. First goal is clearing CA foundation. Next goal is what? Intermediate. And the final goal is clearing CA final. That's it. So for that, wherever you are getting support, take that support. No ego, nothing. If you have that ego, na, that kills you a lot. Okay, it kills you a lot. Maybe people who are watching my lecture who already knew about me, you also may be thinking, no, sir is also like, commercial person only. My dear, I have got to see this big building and I have to pay the rent, I have to pay faculty payment, I have to pay people salary. So there are so many things are there. So of course, we have to be strict in some particular point. But at the same time, how many people are using us that you don't know? Okay, but I want you to use it properly, and these supports and all you take, and follow me in the WhatsApp channel regularly. Next week I'm coming with paper solving. Next week our CA foundation law faculty and accounts faculty, one day they are going to come and give the demo, sorry, how to approach accounts and the law paper. Okay, they are going to come and do it once again. BCK, BCR, everything you will get support, my dear. Okay, so thank you all of you for this wonderful journey. It was nice actually. I got few students who used to come regularly to the classroom, so that it was like live session. I hope you also enjoyed. Okay, I hope you also enjoyed. Okay, so we'll meet next week with the paper solving. So next time onwards, I will explain you how to solve papers in 2 hours time. That is another now the base is over. Okay, yes, Tamil Kurisal, the base is over now. Basic is over. I've given some overall idea. Now next is what? Exams, test. I will write test in front of you first. After that you write, because 26th of November I'm conducting the mega test. In the app, through app you can write the test. You please write the test. Okay? Yes. Thank you all of you. Good night, sweet dreams. Bye everyone. Thank you. No doubt. Often. நான் யார் டவுட்டு கிளியர் பண்ண மாட்டேப்பா. வந்துருச்சு, நான் கூட பார்த்தேன். அக்கௌண்ட்ஸுக்கு 2 days ஆகுமா? லாக் வந்துருச்சு. நான்